Do you believe in good and bad forces in life? Well, I'm sure you do. It's obvious that it exists. But what I'm talking about is the concept of yin and yang, where there's light and dark, good and bad to everything. In the same regard, I believe that there also exists good stress and bad stress. You can't have life without the good times and the bad times to appreciate everything. The problem at hand isn't avoiding stress. It's avoiding how to focus your mind and thoughts in order to properly cope with the stress. A lot of people swear by breathing exercises to diffuse the stress. Meanwhile, others can't seem to grasp the benefits and achieve results with it. You see, once you have the right state of mind and approach, you can use any number of breathing exercises to achieve great enlightenment and stress relief. So, how do you go about learning to do all of this? Well, with this brand new video course, Breathe Relief, you'll discover everything you need to know so you can both decrease stress in your life and make use of breathing techniques. Best of all, this course won't cost you anything to download right now. Just grab your copy on the page below.